Hey everyone, and welcome to my first game devlog. After watching many devlog videos and learning a bit of programming and graphic design, I decided to take the plunge and start making my own games. While I'm not a professional and know nothing about music and audio design, I am determined to create and complete my first simple game using the Godot Engine. And to document my journey, I am sharing it all here on YouTube. So let's dive in. I started by creating a new project in Godot Engine. My first task was to make the player scene. I wrote a simple movement script and the player was moving nicely. After some additional research and tweaking, I managed to get even better player movement. Next, I created a simple tile set and added the player to the world scene. I attached a camera 2D to the player, allowing our lonely player to run around the map. To make things more interesting, I decided to give the player the ability to shoot bullets. After numerous attempts, and some research, I finally got it to work. I created an init function to initialize the bullet's position, direction, and rotation, and use this function when spawning it. I added a timer to the bullet scene. The timeout signal is emitted, the bullet deletes itself. I added the first enemy to the game and made it chase the player. It totally worked out on the first try. Well, almost. Now we have a player that can move and shoot bullets, and an enemy that chases the player. So let's take it a step further and make the player able to kill the enemy. And done. The player can now kill the enemy. Enemies drop coins when they die. The player can collect the coins. Of course, this didn't come without its fair share of bugs and mistakes. Here are some of the funny bugs I encountered. To keep track of the coins collected, I added a label. This is where I learned how to use autoloads in Godot. Next, I made enemies spawn outside the screen infinitely, adding more challenge to the game. I got a bit bored of the prototype graphics, so I decided to change the player's sprite and the coin sprite, giving the game a fresh look. Finally, I added a game over screen, and that brings us to the current stage of my game. Thank you for watching my first devlog. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow my game development journey, please like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to share more updates with you all. Until next time, happy coding!